If you own or run a restaurant, ShortStack has the tools you need to get new customers and to keep the regulars coming back. Here's what ShortStack can do for your restaurant. Create hype around your menu by hosting contests. Have participants vote on their favorite meals, new menu items, or which dish they want you to reveal the recipe for. Use the emails you collect to share the latest menu and customer favorites. Send rewards and special offers in targeted emails. Email marketing is the perfect follow-up to an online contest or giveaway. Use autoresponders and scheduled emails to send coupons and reward discounts to entrants. Make your customers feel like part of the team. Since your regulars are already part of the family, host a recipe contest to have their idea featured on your menu. You can even name it after them. Engage with customers on Instagram and Twitter. Your fans love your food, so let them show it off for you. Ask your customers to post food and drinks from your business to Twitter and Instagram using your branded hashtags. These posts can be featured in a gallery for a chance to win a prize. Need more ideas? Check out the links in this video's description.